Hello everyone, in this video, I will be showing you how to use Printify. So, both a marketplace and a printer are not affiliated with Printify. It is a company that offers a service that links buyers and sellers with a global network of print vendors. It serves as a marketplace for suppliers who can print graphics on things for buyers. It functions more as a mediator between sellers of print on demand goods and printing businesses. From the printing of designs on products through the delivery of goods to clients' doorsteps, these businesses will handle everything. So all you have to do is to create an account in Printify. You can create an account using your Google account, okay? Or you can just simply type your email address, password, click I'm not a robot, click sign up. But if you have your account with you, you just have to type sign in and then you just have to connect your Google account. So this is what it looks like. This is what Printify looks like. Okay, so you can easily explore everything here. If you have your new store or if you want to add store, you just have to click this My New Store. If you want to know more about featured products, you just have to go to product catalog and look for the best design and style that you want to use here for your. Also, it's very important to look for or see print providers. What is this print providers? Okay, so the vendor actually in charge of imprinting artwork into the goods is a print supplier or print provider. A print provider will print, deliver, and adhere to the client's deadlines using their resources. Okay, so you just, regardless of how big or small your project is, the print supplier will add value to it and make useful ideas along the way. While print companies have the tools to supply you with practical solutions like business cards, mugs, their experience extends much beyond that. They take advantage of a successful business strategy that allows them to manage a wide range of printed goods and services as a single source. So, under product catalog, I have picked this unisex soft style t shirt. Okay, so once you're okay with this, all you have to do is to simply look for the details, and you must be aware of the details also with the shirt, of course. And then once you're okay with that, and select this available print providers down below, then you can simply click start designing. Okay, so if you pick a print provider, you must also look at their ratings, okay? And of course, the cost or the value that they added to your product. So this one is the highest, but of course, a bit expensive, but everything is up to you. So anyways, if you want to click this one, you must be also aware with the location and country. Okay, so let me pick this. Okay, United States. And then click Start Designing. And then here, all you have to do is just simply import the design that you have created earlier using this tool, Canva. Okay, so let me show you what I did or created earlier. So I want to sell an Aquaman shirt. So I just downloaded a picture and then import the file here, upload a file, drag it to this page, and then I copied a quotation or words from Aquaman and then edit the font style. And then once I'm done, I downloaded it. So to import, I just click my device, or you just have to click my device and then go to downloads and then simply import that picture here, that file here. Okay, so this one, click open. So you just have to wait for a couple of seconds, and here you can simply adjust the size, okay, of your picture here, of your design. And then you can simply change the color of your shirt. All you have to do is to go to colors, click select, and you can choose what color of shirt you like. But of course, it should be or it should match the color of your design. So you just have to adjust. And then after that, after adjusting this design, you can now select a color for your shirt that of course matches to the color of your design. So I pick blue. You can also choose this color or white, something like that. And then once you're okay with this, all you have to do is just simply look for save product. You can search that down below. Okay, save product. Then once you tap the save product, it will take you directly to the product details. Under product details, you can change the name of your product, of your item. But before anything else, you can also click preview. Okay, you can preview the shirt, the front, the back, so on, and then click save product. Okay, so here, listing details, product description, you can change this, Aquaman, unisex soft, t-shirt, soft style t-shirt. For product
Okay, and then
details, you can remain it this way, or you can change this one, you can add, something like that. Okay, and then after you're finished with the product description, you can now go to variance pricing. You can change the prices here if the sizes of the products or the pricing is different. Okay, you can just simply change the pricing here. Feel free to edit and change everything here. And then once done, all you have to do is to make sure that you have connected your Printify to your store. It can be Shopify, it can be Etsy, it could be WooCommerce, it can be eBay. Okay, so that it would be easier for the customers to buy or look at your product. Okay, connect a store. And then after that, all you have to do is to click publish. Now you can go to your site, for example, Etsy, then you will see there your product as it is now on sale. That's how easy it is. You can also do the same procedure if you want to use Shopify. Okay, so you just have to connect your store. It's the same thing as Printify. So yeah, you just have to log into your Etsy account and then sell this product. Thank you so much for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.